Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make color roles in Discord Mobile. All right, let's begin. First, open Discord on your mobile device and select the server where you want to create color roles. Tap on the server name at the top, then open Settings by tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down under Server Settings and find User Management, then tap on Roles. Here, tap on the plus icon to add a new role. Now, enter a name for your role, such as red. After naming it, tap on the color option to choose a role color. You can either pick a preset color or use the color picker to select your preferred shade. Once selected, confirm and tap create to save the new role. Your color role will now be created and visible in the roles list. So that's basically how you can make color roles in Discord Mobile. That's it for this video. Thanks.